Hello everyone! Welcome back to Hue 16. I hope you are all doing well. Today we will be designing a logo for an e-commerce store called Own It Shop, which offers a wide range of products including t-shirts and bags. Let's dive into the creative process. I've done the mind mapping process. Here are some keywords that represent Own It Shop. I chose a DNA helix and a trolley for making the logo icon. Let's jump right into Adobe Illustrator and start crafting our logo with the DNA helix and trolley elements. Here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and you can see our blank canvas awaiting our creative touch. Select the rectangle tool from the Tools panel and draw a square shape on the canvas. Increase the stroke value in the stroke panel. Go to the Stroke panel and select Align Stroke to Center. With the shape selected, use the Direct Selection tool, A, to make the edges curve. Now choose the Line Segment tool and draw two lines in the middle of the shape. Align the lines perfectly using the Align panel. Use the Scissors tool, C, to cut away the unnecessary part. Select both lines and go to the Stroke panel. Choose Round Cap to round the ends. To adjust the angles of the lines, select a point and drag it upwards. Repeat for the other points. With all the design elements selected, rotate the angle to 315 degrees by dragging. Delete the unnecessary part of the design. Select the point and drag it upwards to create the desired shape. Use the Scissors tool, C, to make a cut at this point. Delete the unnecessary section using the Shape Builder tool, Shift plus M, and join the 2 points. Select the entire design, go to the Stroke panel, and round the cap and corner for a polished look. Select this line and move it to a bit lower. Select the Ellipse tool from the toolbar and use it to draw 2 circles at the base of the trolley. Ensure these circles are aligned perfectly in the middle for a balanced composition. Now let's add the final touches that will truly make our Own It Shop logo shine, typography, and color. For our typography, I've chosen Open Sans. Its clean lines convey professionalism and approachability, aligning perfectly with the diverse range of products Own It Shop offers. Our color choice, #ED 4706, is a vibrant orange that embodies enthusiasm and creativity, reflecting Own It Shop's mission to empower self-expression. Typography and color have brought our logo to life, reflecting the brand's essence. Stay tuned as we complete this exciting design journey. And there you have it, the enlightening presentation of our logo design case study. We hope you've enjoyed this behind-the-scenes journey into the making of our emblem, capturing the essence of empowerment and creativity. Before we sign off, we want to express our gratitude for your continued support. If you found this case study inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on our future creative endeavors. Thanks for being with us. Keep creating and stay inspired. Until next time, happy designing.